Today I have a tutorial to show how easy it's become to save a document as PDF and open it in different applications. So I'm creating a document in InDesign. I'm just going to do a basic print layout. I'm going to save it. And I'm going to export it as a high-res PDF. High quality print, file export, high quality print. I'll go through that slower. File, Adobe PDF presets, and I use high quality print. And I'm going to just save this as PDF. I just picked the basic high quality print setting. I have overset text, so what I do with this is I go Option Command C and it expands it to fit. So I'm going to just save this again as my InDesign and save it as a high quality print. Save. Then I'm going to go to my and I'm going to open this in Adobe Acrobat. And I'm just going to show you how you can edit it in the different applications. I'm going to do Adobe Acrobat first, edit PDF. And the way you get this panel to show. And view, tools. I'm going to edit PDF, which is also available at this button here, edit PDF, open. So, and then the formatting panel comes out, toolbar, and I'm able to edit this. So I'm going to say I'm going to say option. So I'm able to edit all this. So just some basic editing. I can change the font. I can change the alignment. I was surprised with all the tools available in these Adobe Acrobat applications to make edits, type edits. I can adjust the space in between paragraphs, etc. So I'm going to save this. Okay. Then I'm going to open this same document, my original document, in Adobe Illustrator. So now it's on a layer in Adobe Illustrator. Now, the thing you have to keep in mind with Illustrator is that it doesn't pull in paragraphs. It only pulls in lines of copy. So if I wanted this layout in Adobe Illustrator, I would need to recreate this paragraph so that it flows as one line by using the type tool. I use the type tool here, and I'll drag. This is what I do if I really needed layout in Adobe Illustrator. And then I create a text box, and then I'll copy this line of type, select all, Command A, Command C, select all, Command V, I have my first line, Command A, Command C, Command V, I have my second line. And then I'll put this onto a different layer here. This is my new art layer. And I'll line it to this top line using the line to selection, horizontal and vertical. And then I hold down the shift key. I know it's a little involved for this. Hold down the shift key. Well, actually first I'm going to adjust my spacing to match, and then hold down my shift key, and I'm selecting the line the two lines underneath my paragraph, and now I have a paragraph. So that's how you would need to convert it manually in Illustrator. But even this works. Propose final solution. And then I'll set this as center. Bring this to front. Align to key object. Just some editing that I do. Object. Arrange. Send it back. So that's how you would go about editing this. You would need to make paragraphs out of all this if you wanted to keep this, or just re-type it in, or re-import it from your original source, something like that. So that's Adobe Illustrator. So I'm going to save this as Illustrator. I'm going to save it as AI. So that's what you get when you bring it into Illustrator or edit into Adobe Acrobat. Now I'm going to show you a couple export options from Adobe Acrobat. File, export to Microsoft Word document. I'm going to save this. And since I don't have the Word application loaded at the moment, it's opening in Pages. And I'm going to show you how this looks. I'm sure you would get a similar result from Word. But everything is set up as paragraphs. I can adjust the layout, the columns. I can adjust the space after the paragraph, before and after paragraph. I can replace the fonts. I can retype. Everything's set up as a paragraph, as it was in Adobe InDesign. I can adjust the indents, is how I could fix this. can adjust my spacing here. There are ways to adjust, I think, every aspect of this. You can replace these fonts if you needed to. Sometimes it does bring in styles when you import it, and you can change that here, update it. So if, for example, if I change this font, this body text, let me see if I can edit this column. I can equal the column widths. That's an option. Or I can adjust each one of these. These are the gutters here, so this is the space in between each of them. So if I wanted to increase the gutter width, I could go 0.1. And here I could adjust to 0.1. But anyway, the point is you can really work with it here. So as far as changing the fonts, I can replace fonts here, format font, replace fonts. And I can just pick something else. If I wanted to switch these to Georgia. Let's just see what happens here. So now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to save this. I'm going to replace the rest of these fonts. Just for the heck of it. I'm going to replace them all with Georgia and see how it looks in the other application. Okay, I'm going to save this. Save. I'm going to export it as PDF. Now I'm going to go backwards. I'm going to open this. This is my final one. I'm going to open this in Acrobat, edit PDF. And you can see I still have all the options I had before. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to see if I can extend this a little bit. Move it up a little. I'm going to save this. Now this is my Edit Acrobat that I just did. I'm going to open this in InDesign, Adobe Illustrator, and see what kind of... Okay, so the type's still broken up, but I mean, you could work with it if you had to as a starter. So that's my quick tip for today, is saving as PDF and using the edit features in Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Acrobat, and Apple Pages to modify copy, save it back as a PDF, and edit it in other applications. It seems to work a lot better than it did in prior versions. You couldn't even really work with the type before, but this has come a long way. So I hope this is helpful. Please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.